What could this be? Oh yeah. What? Ta-da! Oh yeah. It's crafting time. Hey guys, it's Danielle with Octane Design Studios, and I'm crafting today. Check out all the fun festivities in this video. Hi, it's Danielle Meadows-Stinnett with another great crafting video that I'm making for you guys right now. So I just found this beautiful mug set that I'm going to be decaling today. But first, what are we putting on this thing? Believe it or not, this is an actual project for a friend. So there's actually a set of not only this mug, but two other ones in different colors, and we're gonna showcase both of those here in just a minute. Okay, if you will, you are seeing the actual design that goes on the actual stainless steel mug. And I repeat, we are best friends because everyone else sucks. Is that not the best friend mug you could possibly think of, or what? We've got purple, I do believe. Yes, indeed, a mint green. So I'm gonna pull these out of their sleeves because we won't be needing them for right now. I will say what I do love the most about the Comley mugs, or the stainless steel ones, is because it comes with a cleaning brush and it comes with its own stainless steel straw. Hey, save the planet and clean your dang straw. I think they're like 15 bucks on Amazon, so you can check that out on your own time with the link in the video description. But let's unbox these beautiful stainless steel mugs. All right, so we've got purple, we've got mint, pink. So when we open, the question that a lot of people have when they talk about different types of surfaces is, what kind of vinyl do I use? And to be really honest, any type of permanent vinyl is great for these type of surfaces. Now, I don't know if you can see it up close, but there's not a lot of texture here. It's really smooth, so it's easy to craft vinyl on. Let's get back to our design screen. We're talking about we are best friends because everyone else sucks. I want to go ahead and load up my vinyl. Showcase all the pretty things, loading the paper in here. Button, 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm changing the number of this. I'm hitting apply. And I want to make sure that these are kind of separated enough where they're not causing a lot of, you know, there's not a lot of spacing in between. Let's see another one here. Okay, so there's that. So now they're separated a little bit better. This is going to be not an iron-on, so it stays, the mirror stays off, and I just hit continue. All right, so now that that's syncing, we're going to be doing a little bit of a split screen here, so I can kind of show you a little bit of both. So while this is going, it's syncing, it's making sure everything's ready to cut. We can now hit the go button, which I'm going to hit right now, and watch the magic happen. Yay, magic! See, so as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that this fits this particular mug. So you want to make sure that the spacing of the decal fits in this general area. And I apologize, I'm shaking quite a bit over here, but you just want to make sure it fits in this specific area so that it's easier to, you know, put it on. Sometimes the decal can be too big. I honestly, to be really honest, made a decal that was way too big for this, and I ended up going into here and it completely messed up the whole design. I had to pull everything off and start over from scratch. Hence this brand new pink tumbler. I started with the pink. So we're actually gonna start with the pink again today, and then we're gonna move on to the purple and green. Okay, we're done. So we're gonna take it off the mat and we're gonna go ahead and get it into the weeding process, okay? All right, let's check this out. All right, so because of the way I can see the light hitting this, now I can just go ahead and save myself spare vinyl by cutting off that. And we know that we want to spare any type of spare vinyl that we can. All right. So we want to make sure that we're weeding this correctly. I'm literally just taking the project knife, pulling it back, going through all the normal weeding processes. And now we can move on to tape. I've got some really quick, easy vinyl transfer tape with standard grip. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more standard, this is a great tool that I use all the time. And you can grab that in my links in the video description. I just want to see how long this is real quick. Not as long as I originally thought it was going to be, so I'll probably use 2 pieces of tape to do, you know, 1 or 2. I'm just going to bend this again in the middle, make sure the surface is flat, and then grab it. So we want to go ahead and place this on our mug. Yay. So again, we want to make sure that our cornmeal logo is on the absolute back. And we want to make sure that we put this on the top. Now, what I do, just because I'm very comfortable with this, is I literally just size it up and lay it down. And because this is rectangular, I have no problem in just taking it down and pushing it down. Okay? And I'm just kind of rubbing up and down. I'm pressing, to be really honest. Because where it needs to be. All right. Can't complain. We are best friends because everyone else sucks. There you go. Okay, that's a wrap. If you like what I'm putting down, like, subscribe, and share.